very simplistic with encapsulating.
So guys, I'll show you around of my college. Do time schedule this. I was just 17 and you know my family wanted me to get married at that time before going to college. NIFT was the only thing that was there for me as a like.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life Designer.
Oh guys, we are inside Fortuner and I'm the only person who is too much stressed. So guys, it's my convocation today and
Finally, yes,
Yes,
we are
guys.
going, guys.
so guys, we are going to NIFT NIFT. So I finally graduated. 4 years, survived.
Graduation day. Throwing the graduation. I think it will be the best day for you.
Yes,
graduation day is the best day for every student's life.
Guys,
Yeah, the most awaited day, and this is the only time they open.
Yes, guys, I finally got out and they still have 2 more years to wait.
1.5, almost.
Okay. Because of COVID situation, they are not allowing anybody else other than one student to get inside the college. So we were also really sad. Like I actually wanted all of us to, you know, join together and see my convocation.
We were all waiting for your convocation to be a part of it. All these years.
and then suddenly we'll be seeing everything in the vlog, and then we'll be appreciating everything.
There will be lights coming.
Yes, guys, but I will really miss them in my, you know, convocation time. But yeah, so I'll be only going inside. So let's see how it goes inside.
Yeah.
No idea. I've never seen a convocation. Just first time.
Never experienced a convocation.
Yeah.
Now you guys will know.
2 years later, how to like walk.
Yeah.
In the morning, we were literally like, okay, how are we going to do the sari and all those things? Finally did something and Rix came up with this research and like she was like, okay, let's drape it like this.
Draping classes.
Research buddy.
After seeing the side, I was thinking this is not the way of wearing.
And guys, after all that, we were like, okay, it's all done. And there was like this hair that was all messed up. And Nev came in, she was like, okay, let's do it like this. It was like a group, you know. It was almost like my marriage. Like Zoe was feeding me food in between.
It's like a celebration day.
It's done just like that. Within some 5-10 minutes, we just quickly do it.
Done. Shit.
Actually, we took 3 hours, but
Yeah, the draping took a lot of time because we are not used to that.
You guys can see the drape is completely different from a normal sari.
It's a variation.
It's a different.
It's new, so it's okay to be variation. It is sari, the correct way of wearing sari.
it's technically not a sari, but a sari. That's all.
If you don't know how to drape it in any way and it will become a sari. But it's nice. Basically, sari is draping.
And guys, Shri is also here with us, supporting. Oh guys, NIFT is here. It's revealing. Oh man, this is the HSR, guys. So this is our building. This is the BFT, Bachelor of Fashion Technology. There is another department.
I already see a lot of people, but
Oh,
I think
yeah.
Grey is the highlight ever.
Yeah.
No.
No, everyone is not off-white, okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Thank
There are
God.
whites. Time to break the white is there, white is
White
there.
is the highlight.
Okay, guys.
Oh my
Oh my God. Guys, there's a lot of people here.
21.
All the departments.
There is out of saris also.
Grey
There are
will be
kurtas.
outstanding.
Yeah, man. All the best.
Everyone,
Drop there, that's
yeah.
all.
Huh?
I'll come back and
Yeah.
Grey. Grey is
So
the
out of the
Grey is the
Hey, grey is off-white, okay?
Yeah, Grey is off white.
Yeah, this is off-white now.
It's off.
Guys, here,
Grey is
turning from here.
See, she's wearing
This is all our campus.
she's wearing pink.
This is all our campus, guys. So, parking, there is no way to
Everyone is
park.
wearing khadi there.
Shit,
There are
man.
people
I
wearing
wish
saree.
they allow at least one person inside. Will they ask for my ID card?
Yeah, you are that one person. Shit. If it was not COVID, we could have all watched it.
Outstanding student of the year.
So guys, I got inside and the checking is going on. So they're asking the COVID test results, RT-PCR and all those things. So this is my campus. This is my campus. This is the main area. This is security guard check. and our department area is way inside, guys. And look at that, all this graffitis inside. It's beautiful. I'll show you around. And this is our auditorium. This is the Audi. And this is a basketball court. This have turned to some, I don't know what. They have done a lot of setup, guys. This is really amazing. Everyone is dressed up into, like, you know, grey shades and off-whites and all those things. There's a lot of chairs put. I think we're going to take a, you know, a group photo, class photo type. Nice. All my classmates over here. So guys, I'm going to get the Angavastra. So this is the place. I'll show you around. This is our, you know, amphitheater. So I think this is where all the ceremonies are gonna take today. So it looks so empty. Everyone is getting inside. It is so crowded outside. They're just very, very careful. Only one by one they're taking inside. So guys, I'm actually coming through the back of the college and through the side. Oh man, guys, this is our corridor. This is the most beautiful corridor ever. We have done all the graffitis by ourselves, like when we are in, you know, second year and all. This is all of that, guys. I'll show you one of the graffiti that I did and my team. So guys, this is all my class people and there is more to come. So we're signing our certificates here itself so that we won't have to come again. So everyone is seated department wise. We got the shades.
I know, like behind the hair.
So the ceremony is about to start. Bro, everyone is having this beautiful white
Taking a
sari.
video, she's on video call.
Namaskar, good evening. Requesting the chief guest and the dignitaries to kindly take their seats. All the students seat, please. They say that graduation is not the end of the journey, but the beginning of a new one. On behalf of National Institute of Fashion Technology, Bengaluru, I welcome you to the convocation ceremony held for the awarding degrees to the class of 2021 of NIFT Bengaluru. National Institute of Fashion Technology is a premier Institute of Design, Management and Technology, which was set up in the year 1986. आज हमारे पास 17 निफ्ट के परिसर हैं जो उद्योग एवं उन्नति के लिए अग्रसर एवं तैयार पेशेवर छात्रों को तैयार करते हैं। ऐसे ही कुछ प्रतिभाशील एवं होनहार स्नातक आज इस परिसर से निकलेंगे। This year, a total of 306 students will be proudly graduating from NIT Bengaluru. This batch is indeed a special one, having battled the uncertainties of the pandemic and the shift to online education before reaching its stage. To receive the graduation notes today, we congratulate each and every one of you and warmly welcome to the convocation ceremony. We begin this august occasion with an invocation to the Almighty. Request all of you to kindly rise from your seats.
How are you all feeling in the sun?
One thing.
Good.
If you take your feet off my pallu, I'll tell you. Right now.
Shit, I'm standing.
Honorable Secretary Upendra Singh Sir, Director General NIFT Shantanu Sir, ma'ams, guests of honor, dear officers and faculty, non-teaching staff and dear students. If there is a dream this campus has seen for the past 1 month, it is this. For agreeing to be our chief guest and as a token of our affection, I call upon Dr. Nilanjana Bairagi, Associate Professor, to present a bouquet of flowers to Sir. Also being presented to him is a knitted portrait that our Associate Professor, Mr. Mohan Kumar, has done. Chatmanu sir, our dear Director General, has been our guiding light for nearly 2 years now. Through a very critical time of the pandemic, he has shepherded NIFT to safety. Sir holds the post of Director General of NIFT as an additional charge and officiates substantially as Development Commissioner Handicraft in the Ministry. I call upon Mr. Mohan Kumar to present him with a bouquet of flowers and the knitted portrait that he has done so lovingly for him. The industry, as we call in NIFT, represents the wide design community of thought leaders, practitioners, exporters, manufacturers, et al. And we are so elated that we have amidst us stalwarts from the industry. Mr. Atul Ujagar, the country director for Nike, who is also member of the state level advisory committee for NIFT Bengaluru. Mr. Surya Prakash Gowda, who is the founder and chief design officer of Design Core India. Back in the beginning of this year for your on-campus modules for a week. You faced a pandemic, we all did. If anything, I hope it has taught all of us to be kinder, to realize the ephemerality of it all, and to do good while we can as we pass this world just once. Class of 2021, I welcome you to your last ceremony into the campus as students. As the sun sets today and you walk out of this campus, you shall be alumni. Be in the moment, be present, and be with gratitude and keep shining. Welcome to your convocation ceremony. We are because you all are. To our friends and well-wishers present, I welcome you all on behalf of the campus to the convocation ceremony for the class of 2021.
The view of the campus is simplified in the form of the number 25, incorporating the main elements of the campus. The color palette of the NIFT is retained with typography emphasizing the subject. Aman has made the logo simplistic in design, yet encapsulating the campus structure. We are very honored indeed that we have with you today on stage on this August occasion, inaugurating the logo commemorating 25 years of design education for NIFT Bengaluru. Can we also have Mr. Sanjeev CM on stage, Associate Professor in the Department of Fashion Communication. Ladies and gentlemen, 25 years of NIFT Bengaluru.
I hereby pledge
that I still strive to be honest and diligent in the discharge of my duties as a professional, to be disciplined and ethical in all walks of life, and to uphold the values enshrined in the Constitution of India. It will be my constant endeavor to innovate and follow sustainable practices to protect the environment. I shall utilize my knowledge and skills for the honor of NIFT, for the progress of my country and mankind at large. So help me God. Thank you.
Hey guys, so we are in office now. Gray is in college.
We're all waiting, yeah.
Live. We are not able to attend there with Gray, but no worries. We are waiting Gray to come and
look at
this opportunity to see it in live. So they are keeping in the Instagram live. They generally come on live for every occasion. So.
And she's our director ma'am of NIFT.
Personal acts.
It's great. Guys, if you can see, she's leaving now. Yes.
So guys, I'll show you around of my college. This is the staff's place. So this is where all our faculties will be. And these all are the corridor. This is where, this is kind of a round. This connects the whole, it's kind of a round architecture for this college. Everything is in the center, like if you see, it's like golden rule. It's like that. So everything in the center and the whole building is surrounding that. That's why the logo they've centered. And this is our AD department. And guys, I'm presenting you our graffiti, the Van Gogh. Oh my god. This is our library over there. And our lab is also here, computer lab. And this is the graffiti that me and my friends did. And this is our, you know, hangout place. This is where all the canteen, we have a CCD inside, we have a canteen, we have a place where we can just chill out. And you see inside everywhere it's graffiti, and it's a really amazing place, guys. And the canteen is here. It's locked right now. And these is our hostels. So hostels, this is the ladies hostel. We have 2 blocks and these are all the rooms. So only girls get the chance to be inside the college, inside campus. And I wish I could take you guys there. So this is the textile design area on top. And this is our ground where we play volleyball and all those kind of games, and also small activities we have in our Gs. Talking about the architecture of this place, this is an amazing architecture. And you know, actually this whole place used to be very crowded. Right now everyone is in ceremony, and you know, I just came out and want to show you guys all this. So this is all the classrooms and the staircase, and really fun place, guys. Actually, you can see all the world's famous designers here. It's really nice hangout place. Is the back of our canteen. You know, everywhere you see all this cool, nice creative things. NIFT is all about, like, you know, enjoying the way how we look at things. Just, you know, you have that kind of freedom where you can do whatever you want and, you know, be yourself, all those freedom, and everything have a meaning here, guys. It's really amazing, you know. Actually, there used to be 2 festivals. One is God, I forgot. So I'll show you guys so these are our lockers. We have each student is allowed a locker. So this is the way to go to library. This is the library place, guys. And this is our oval. So this is an oval shape, that's why we call it that. And this is where they give us the dinner, I guess. Oh my god, I don't want to miss this. And they have set up chairs and everything. I don't know what they have for the dinner. Everything is empty now. What time?
7 o'clock.
7. Okay, guys. We'll have to wait till 7 then. The ceremony will be done by 7. They have seating arrangements done there. And guys, this is our library. And look at that. Redo. That's our, you know, most used word. Instagram, and it's kind of fun. Graffitis. I really miss all this. This is our library. I'll show it to you inside. This is our library, and you know, you'll get all the world's amazing, you know, magazines, everything. You know, all the fashion magazines, everything, guys. I actually want to go and check this is for KD department, so it's written KD over there. My department is on the top, that floor, so let's check it out. So we have 2 lifts here. Never in my life have used it because this is out of, you know. Yeah, so still it's that way. It's under construction, I guess, but it's okay. So guys, we reached the top floor. So this is the first floor, and this is the balcony area. And this is the TD department. You know, all the tie and dye and all those kind of labs. Oh my god, amazing, right? And from here This is a pattern making lab, GC labs and all our FD labs. And here, from here you can see the whole ceremony. Oh guys, there's a lot of people here to give the certificate.
Sakshi Jadhav, Sakshi Sharma, waiting in the wings is Saurabh Kujur. After Sakshi Sharma, Saurabh Kujur.
And guys, this is our interval time where we come and sit here and talk about all the assignments we have. What else do we have to talk about? Oh yeah, and guys, this is a GC lab and all those things. So we are going to another floor. So this is our toilet, washrooms and all those things on this side. And on the other side, oh my god, I love the architecture of this college. Like especially it's so, everything is so close. Everyone, like even if there is jury happening on the other side, we'll be standing here and be like, shit, your jury's done, bro, how was it? And all, it was really nice. So guys, this was my locker. Oh yeah, it's open, it's empty. Oh man. So guys, this is C18. This is our GC lab. It's closed. This is our pattern making lab. Anna, can I go inside? Oh guys, this is our pattern making lab. Oh shit. See the number of dress forms we used to have. So this is with the leg and this one without the leg. So we use this to make the pants and this for the borders. Oh my god, this used to be really, very nice place. Now it's all, it's kind of all, we even have the kids dress form. All the kind of sizes. Kids dress form generally have this tummy. That's so cute. Oh my god. This used to be a really fun place, guys. This is our final year class. Usually our class was having a lot of, around like 50 people. Around 50 people. So we got split into 2 batches. And then we got this 2-time schedule. This is our GC lab. So in GC lab, this is our stitching, the powerful machines. And this is our iron table. I broke this once and I replaced it. Got fine. Oh my god. So nice. Thank you. That's where we came from, guys. And I really want to show you guys all the place. Which not, what not. What did I miss? Yeah. They're still giving away the certificates. So what I thought is I'll take you around to the terrace of our college. So this is not actually the top of the terrace, but this kind of an open area that we like to, come in and we practice our presentations and all those things. It's actually early mornings. It's amazing. And one time I came to watch the eclipse here. It was really amazing because see the sky is so clear and you can see the eclipse was right there. It was really nice to watch it from there. From here you can see the oval. See, it is also having an open place. Here also we used to do gardening and all those kind of activities used to happen. And this is what we saw from the downstairs where the dinner is served. And oh man, the moon is there. So about NIFT students, whichever place we are, we'll turn that place into a beautiful, aesthetic place. And I did few photo shoots here asked few friends to model and put my designs and did few photo shoots over there. Nobody knows. Oh my god. So these are the places, okay. And this is our hostels. So this is our hostel block. All the rooms. Wow. This is so good, guys. I'm missing all these times. But guys, it's more thrilling outside, and you know, nobody want to, you know, be stuck here. No, I actually don't want to spend one more year. It will be very hectic, but you know, memories always once it is, and leave it. It's a bad concept. What am I talking about? And guys, this is our AD Lab 1. It have all the machineries to cut. You know, the strong machineries. There is no much light. Is there any light? Oh yeah. See, look at that. This other AD is accessory design, so they have furnitures and all those things to make. So it's like heavy machineries here. And I'll show you the next lab. This is that lab. It is AD Lab. I used to work here when I was in first year. This used to have all those tables where we can work and make all those creative things. Oh my god, look at that. This is all the made by my friends and also might be my seniors. Who knows? That's Shivrapatna. That one head. We all made and give it to our departments. This? Yeah.
Dahi bun.
Huh. This is what, Bhaiya?
Dahi bun.
Dahi bun. Dahi bun. Okay. Karnataka special. Pata nahi. Okay. Guys, really nice dinner. Yeah, a little bit is enough. Yeah. I'll come later. So guys, the convocation is done and I'm going out. Shit, this is so beautiful in the night. Actually, there is a lot of beautiful lighting, I guess. And we took few photos here. It's gonna come right in front of me. And guys, this is our front gate, and this is our Audi, and there is dinner served over there.
Do this one also.
So guys, Grace is done with her convocation and we are going to pick her up. EO is ready to go to NIFT once more.
Gray. Should we get down? Yeah. Why not? I'm not sure if we can go inside. Yes. Oh my god, look who's coming after graduation. Running and coming, oh my god. Congratulations, bro.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god, you got a gift.
Without you guys, but it's okay.
Nice.
We all could graduate together.
Oh shit, that should have happened, guys.
What did you get?
Congrats. You got boxes in your house. Bad lighting, oh my god, certificate, gifts and all.
Hi.
Seriously. Bye. Everyone is getting inside.
This is the the certificate.
That looks good. Oh my god. So you're proud of your shit.
And all my CGPA and shit. I don't want to disclose.
Some calculation.
I am pretty sure you got a good CGPA.
You have a good score.
No, I was really bad in first year.
Okay, but doesn't matter. Your final results matter.
It was nice, yeah.
Practically, it's a progress report. There is one more
open that.
Did you check it before?
No,
I did
she
not.
didn't.
Oh guys, I think I should do this and then open here.
Not. What's that?
Oh.
It's a bottle. It's a Neft Bengaluru bottle.
Bottle.
Oh, let's congratulate Grace. Guys, let's party.
So today it was Grace convocation.
Graduation.
It was a
Really nice
It was
day.
a very interesting day.
Yeah.
They got
We enjoyed a
graduated
lot.
finally.
Yeah, it was her final day in college.
Yeah, it's
We
a
were
special
thinking,
day for her.
yeah, we missed it, but later we had a good time.
We actually tried
lot.
getting inside the college and being a part of convocation, but it wasn't allowed.
Yeah.
So now Grace we came back. Like it was a good day.
Yeah.
We
I think,
explored a lot of
The 4 years of
She's
struggle.
been talking about this. I mean, we've all been planning about this for really long, and then finally not being able to go was just like a little heartbreaking.
Okay,
but
and it is her special day. 4 hard work days, 4 years hard work
She
days.
deserves it. She deserves it after 4
4
years.
years of
Actually,
fashion
she
designing.
deserve it.
I still remember she like FD people working in labs till 10, 11 and all like
Oh my.
working out like it was
Late
that
nights.
hectic. Like if college is open, it's actually full of work.
I still remember first time meeting her in library. She explaining about WGSN.
She opened the world to us like
Okay.
that. That time she was very much helping to
Yeah.
us. Like that time we have no idea about the college and our
We are
subject.
dumb.
Yeah, new to the world, new to the
That was
family.
the best session we could have ever got about presentation, like how you can
Yeah.
present
Yeah, it
whatever
was a nice
presentation
class.
it
Yeah.
is, like
The
even
thing
how you
is-
can get information from library.
Yeah, she would have done a lot of mistakes in her work, but she helps us so that we won't repeat it in our
Yeah.
ones.
Yeah.
So whatever she learned
she'll
through
have
her
a quick-
experience,
Every
She's
time
really
we work, she's the one who comes with more ideas. Ideas. She helps us in everything.
she's like, no,
Shortcut and then do
Do
it.
this, do
That's
that.
it. No hard work. only
Yeah, this
smart work.
online class time she helped a
That's
lot
well,
actually. Yeah,
Lot of
this
smart
online
work.
time we have no idea about anything.
yeah, you
Yeah, I see like she coming to each of you and saying everything how to do. It was
Yeah.
really nice.
it is required.
I wish I could share some college stories with her, but I think being with Gray, working with Gray for some time. I mean, and I've known her from the time she was going to college, right?
Yeah.
And I think she's very, very, very career oriented, very focused.
Very
That's
focused,
something. And I
yeah,
have
very
no
focused.
idea how she finds all the time in the world to do both college and this together. But
Yeah, man.
hats off, that was really good.
That
And
is-
no, I've never heard a no from her. She's always up for anything, a lot of energy. She's just like jumping around spontaneously doing things.
Only
You
she
guys
can do.
collaborated for some photo shoots and all, like for her.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw that. It's really good.
and all
She's
that
really
knowledge.
good.
That way she was quick.
extremely creative
Very.
also.
She just comes up with ideas like that and then she'll be like, this. I've not seen her do a work for a really long time or
Yeah,
nothing
she
like that. It's just
quickly
quick and
completes,
crisp.
no? Yeah.
Actually, she spent her third and fourth year during this pandemic, but
Yeah.
she never missed any work, and I think she
true.
successfully
On time.
Completed all of it.
Grades
a role
are
model
always
for us.
going up.
Yeah.
Like, grades are like rocket. It's not like even coming down or
Grades
something.
are
Just
like
go
great.
up, not even down.
We can learn many things. No fluctuations.
That was so nice.
I think we have to learn from her FD people.
Yeah, guys.
I think I can.
And apart from all those things, like I would say she's the most funniest in all the group. Like
Yeah.
she cracks a lot
Most of the
jokes.
time, 9 out of 10
Oh my
guys.
god.
I think give more energy to the team.
Yeah, like a lot of.
And I think the most important is because of her only we are here.
Yeah,
If
that's
we
the thing.
go back,
She
she's
selected us like.
guys, Grace here and there seeing all the photos without me. Let's
I was just randomly showing.
doesn't matter. Let's ask how is her convocation, how is her day. Great.
Oh,
Come
guys,
on.
it was really nice. It was one of the best days because this 4 years was one of the hell of a journey. There was a lot of ups and downs and survived a lot. Came to this stage and graduation is one of the major milestone.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
there is more to come. And Bangalore is, like it came to me like an opportunity for a lot. It opened me to the world. And it made me think a lot. It's like a opportunity. It's like Neft have this freedom of thinking, freedom of who you are, love
Yeah.
yourself, and all those things. So I was like really enjoying because that is exactly what I wanted. And even the faculties, everybody, there was this freedom of talking and speaking out, like everything, guys, and even friends I got. Like it's like all around India from everywhere, and also exchange students. I got to meet a lot of people, a lot of culture. Yeah, that's like very much broader perspective of talking about it. And also, it was nice.
What
and
was your takeaway from these 4 years?
takeaway is like actually for me it's like a
Roller coaster.
yeah, roller coaster, as you guys know, these people know. And I was thinking, should I say it in the vlog? and I thought I'll say it.
It's the time.
I haven't shared this to anybody, like open to anyone else, because coming to NIFT was a decision that I made that changed my life. It made me who I am today, the person I am today. It was the darkest phase of my life when I landed in NIFT, and it's kind of sad story, and I don't know how can I say this.
You survived.
I'll say it anyway. When I was in +2, I was just 17, and my family wanted me to get married at that time before going to college. And during my public exam, they got me engaged to a person, and I didn't really want it. I begged to everyone to say, okay, I actually want to study, I want to do a job, I want to have a career, I want to do something for myself, and then only I can make a decision. Or this is not something, I was just 17, I don't know how to decide for myself. Like, this is, I was not that age, to say yes or no. And I was totally confused and emotionally everywhere. I was like totally depressed stage of my life. And after that, NIFT was the only thing that was there for me as a okay, at least I can go and study in NIFT. That was because if I get married, they'll allow me to go and study. I don't know how that came into that way, because it was totally, I don't know how all those things kind of messed up. And in between all this, came to NIFT, and in between I got engaged, and they were waiting for me to turn 18 to get married. Before that, I somehow, by reaching NIFT and meeting a lot of people, understanding this, I understood my own rights to talk for myself, talk for, I know there's a lot of people like me out there who have been through all this kind of things. And for you guys, I'm saying, you guys have the rights to speak, you have your own rights, stand, there is nobody is there to take away what you have, your dream or anything. Stand for that, have a stand, and work really hard. So that's how I came to NIFT, and I fought for this. And a lot of things changed in me. And there was a time where there was no one, and my Uppa and Uma was there. I'm really thankful for them, because out of all that, they were the only people who stood for me, and they spoke for me, and I'm really thankful for them. I don't know how to thank them.
Yeah, they can understand.
They're seeing this. I'm really thank you, Uppa, for all those things. And then this all opportunity came. I came to Palpix, and I met Shri, and I met Vinod, and they gave me this opportunity to grow more. And I was doing parallelly NIFT and also Palpix came here, and they were helping me a lot to manage both. And I'm really thanking Shri and Vinod for giving me this opportunity. And I don't know, I really thank them very much, because otherwise I would be just I after graduation I'll be hopeless. Right now I have a proper understanding of the industry, worked and more close to the industry right now. And a lot of supportive people, a lot of blessing from everywhere. I'm really blessed.
Congratulations for blessing here.
And coming here, I got a lot of great friends like them. Yes. Very supportive, and very, it's they're really close to my heart, and this is my family.
Yeah, I have nothing to worry. We all have.
Yeah.
We're never going to leave her. She's back with us.
We'll be there together.
Yeah, that's a story. I don't want to be that I literally want to cry now, but what, this is everything that made me bold right now. So this is what made me me. This is my story.
This is great.
This is nothing to be ashamed to say outside or anything, because this is who made me who I am now.
Yo.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for supporting.
Congrats. Yes.
Thank you, guys. Oh, guys. So from here on, we'll be starting our travel. Actually, we came back in between and we attended the convocation. And we'll be starting from here to where we stopped.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll be starting our journey. Till then, guys, if you like today's video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Till then, bye.